Brother, I just had dentist surgery. I didn't feel anything at all, brother. I feel kind of funny. Is this real life, brother? Okay. I have 2 fingers, brother. Now I have 4. Kind of like the 4 horsemen. That rotten Ric Flair. I tell you what, I'm the real world champion, brother. I can't see anything at all now, brother. Brother. I feel kind of tired, brother. Brother, can you tell me, do I have stitches? Why, brother? Why can't I touch it, brother? You have 4 eyes, brother. You have 4 eyes. Why is this happening to me, brother? Is this gonna be forever, brother?